welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Guess what, y'all? I gotten a little hungry, so I'm getting ready to make me a tuna salad sandwich. Yes, I am. And this is what I have. I have the chicken of the sea, chug light tuna, and it is in water. So this is 1 can. So what I did, I rinsed the tuna and then I squeezed out the, water, and I chilled it in the refrigerator. Yes. So I'm going to put it in this little container here, and I am going to mash. And this is, here I chopped up not one onion, but a half an onion. No, not even half an onion. I chopped up some onions, and then this is 3 eggs that I chopped up. So I'm going to add it to my tuna. I love onions in my tuna, y'all. Excuse me if I'm making a mess. I'm going to mix together. I'm sure everybody know how to make a tuna salad, but this is how I make mine. I'm going to add mayonnaise. This is off-brand. It doesn't have to be any special type of mayonnaise. Any brand of mayonnaise that you like. Then I'm going to add mustard. Any brand. Then I'm going to add sweet relish, any brand. Just going to pour a dab. Then, y'all, I'm going to add 2 packs of stevia sweetener. I like my tuna a little sweet. Then I'm going to mix together. Maybe a little bit of more mayonnaise. Then I'm going to add a little black pepper. And then a little garlic salt. So let me taste. All right, let me fix me a sandwich. I love the Sara Lee butter bread. I did thought about putting it on a hamburger bun, but I'm just gonna go ahead and make a sandwich. A regular sandwich instead of using a bun. you're watching this video while I'm making this tuna salad, I am also doing another video on making a banana nut bread. So I have it in the oven right now. In between time, I'm getting ready to make me a sandwich. I haven't eaten all day. So this is my tuna salad sandwich. I usually put tomatoes on it, but I'm not going to add tomatoes. So let me taste it. I know it's good. Have a bite, y'all. Have a bite. Delicious. Alrighty. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming video on the banana nut bread. Yes, so thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.